Oh yeah, with another food review. This time we went to Subway and we got this wrap. I got a rotisserie chicken wrap, and I got me this drink. It's at the gas station. Subway's at this gas station right here in town. And I said, let me get something to drink too. Yeah, check out this sandwich right here. It's a wrap, a rotisserie chicken wrap. Let's see how it tastes. Mmm. 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 It's got rotisserie chicken, lettuce, tomato. Yeah, this is really good right here. This is really good. Real good. Nice looking sandwich right here. About to fall out. Nevertheless, really good. I give it 5 stars across the board. Real tasty. I think it was like $6 for this right here. $6 and some change. Not too bad. It's a nice little sandwich too. Well, if you like my videos, y'all hit that like icon and subscribe to Moody 72 on YouTube. As always, Moose says peace and blessings. I'm out, y'all. Peace.